Looking to sell your Eloy house today and want the process to be quick and easy? Look no further than Kevin Buys Houses. With over 20 years of experience, we're your trusted local cash buyer who can put cash in your hands in as little as 24 hours. Whether you're facing foreclosure, going through a divorce, relocating, dealing with an inherited property, or facing mortgage problems, we can help. We'll handle any repairs, paperwork, and necessary steps to make the process as smooth as possible for you. Bid farewell to the stress of cleaning and repairing your property, finding an agent, signing a complicated contract, or worrying about buyers backing out at the last minute. With Kevin Buys Houses, selling your Eloy house is a breeze. Just visit our website or call us today, and we'll give you a fair all-cash offer within 24 hours. We buy houses with cash, so there's no waiting for bank financing or dealing with traditional real estate methods. Plus, we're dedicated to making your life easier while still paying you a fast, fair, and honest price for your house. So, what are you waiting for? Sell your Eloy house today with Kevin Buys Houses. Contact us at 480-650-2709 or visit kevinbuyshouses.com to get started. We're ready to make you an offer and get cash in your hands today.